The realm of cognitive science has unveiled the multiplicity of learning styles, accentuating the profound realization that each individual's approach to knowledge acquisition is as unique as their fingerprint. But how does one discern their specific style? Here's an expert-level guide to tools and techniques designed to unravel one's cognitive inclinations. Self-assessment questionnaires. Overview. These are structured sets of questions that gauge preferences in various learning scenarios. By the end, they provide insights based on the accumulated scores. Notable tools: the VARC questionnaire, Kolb's Learning Style Inventory, and the Felder-Solomon Index of Learning Styles are reputable tools in this domain. Observational analysis. Overview. By closely monitoring one's behaviours, inclinations, and reactions in diverse learning environments, one can glean insights into preferred learning styles. Technique. Keep a learning diary. Document reactions to different educational experiences, noting what feels most natural and effective. Analytical tools and applications. Overview. In the digital age, numerous apps analyze user behavior to suggest optimal learning strategies. Notable tools: apps like Study Blue, Brainscape, and learning style assessment harness algorithms to provide insights based on users' study patterns. Reflective practice. Overview. Engaging in self-reflective exercises can help in recognizing patterns and inclinations. Technique. Periodically contemplate questions like: in which settings do I feel most engaged? What mediums help me retain information the longest? And which study sessions felt most draining and why? Peer feedback. Overview. Sometimes an external perspective can unveil truths that might be elusive to the individual. Technique. Engage in group study sessions or discussions and solicit feedback regarding noticeable patterns in your learning behaviours. Professional assessment. Overview. For a comprehensive understanding, professional educational psychologists or counsellors can be consulted. They use a blend of structured tools and observational techniques to provide a nuanced perspective. Procedure. Book a session with a recognised professional in educational psychology. They often employ a mix of questionnaires, interviews, and sometimes even neurocognitive tests. Experimental diversification. Overview. Deliberately expose yourself to various learning mediums and environments to intuitively discern what feels most comfortable. Technique. Allocate specific topics to be learned through reading, others through audio-visual means, some via hands-on experiments, and so on. Reflect on the efficacy and comfort of each approach. Cognitive aptitude tests. Overview. While not strictly about learning styles, these tests can provide insights into strengths and preferences in information processing. Notable tools. Tools like the Multiple Intelligences Assessment shed light on dominant cognitive strengths, which can hint at preferred learning styles. In summation, embarking on the journey to discern one's unique learning style is an investment in self-awareness. It's not just about optimized education, but also about understanding one's cognitive persona in its entirety. As with all introspective quests, the process might demand time and patience, but the dividends, in terms of tailored education and self-awareness, are invaluable.